Well, hello folks. This evening we're going to be making a super simple, easy chicken recipe here. What we started off with, we got some boneless chicken thighs and some chicken and poultry rub, some soy sauce, less sodium soy sauce, vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a little blender here. We'll start off. Carolyn was going to put 2 eggs in. Alrighty, we're going to pour in about a cup of vegetable oil. Put in a tablespoon of the chicken and poultry seasoning. Now, we're going to put a whole bottle of this soy sauce in. That's why I got the low sodium. Whole bottle. It's got a good speed control valve inside there. Let's take it out. Oh, looks like it's a pain in the butt. Let's just keep pouring it in. And pouring. Let's shake it a little bit there. We'll get it to come out a little bit quicker. Nope, staying about the same. It finally got out. Now we're going to mix it all up here. Now we're going to pour this here into the bag of chicken. And we're going to let it sit there. Overnight would be good. That's what this here was. Squeeze the air out of the bag. Alrighty, we'll throw that in the refrigerator. We'll sit there in a little while. I was at work. Carolyn's laying it out here on the cookie sheet. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Just placing the marrow on that cookie sheet there. Carolyn's sprinkling a little bit more of the chicken and poultry seasoning on there. One day we're going to try these over the barbecue grill. There's the 400 degrees. There's the finished product. We cooked these roughly 35 minutes. They cook pretty quick there at 400 degrees. Just check your temperatures, make sure they're good, well done there. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. It turned out good. It was tasty. If you would, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification over there on the side. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you.